Hello, my name is Hayden Grimmett, and I am a third-year electrical and computer engineering student at the Virginia Military Institute. And this is one of my high voltage projects. Love high voltage, love anything plasma or high voltage related. Basically anything electrical that has the potential to kill or seriously hurt you. That's my go-to. So this is a voltage multiplier circuit that I've heard called a lightning tower. I think it's a pretty cool name. Runs off an arc lighter. Of course, it's modified. Arc lighter high voltage leads go from here to the voltage multiplier circuit. These are the diodes, rated for 15 kilovolts. Goes up through the 12 stages, with each stage having 2 capacitors to a top load. The high voltage lead from the top load of the circuit to the top load that I've created here out of 90-degree copper elbows and secured the top load wire to the top load by electrical tape, lots of turns, make sure it's insulated, make sure it's good contact. So this is my capacitor bank right here. Each stage, so a row of capacitors, has 2 capacitors per stage, all rated for 15 kilovolts as well. And the capacitance per each capacitor is 2.2 nanofarads. These are ceramic disc capacitors. I obviously wasn't looking for efficiency in this one, just high voltage. And these things are real beefy. If I put my finger up to it, you can really tell. Really beefy. Yeah, I mean, it's a voltage multiplier circuit, so whatever AC signal you put in through here, it's going to go through all these capacitors and then come out and spark over to this ground wire that I have running to the ground of my lightning tower. It's going to come out as DC sparks. So unlike the Tesla coil from my last video, my last project, those are AC sparks, which takes a lot more voltage and current to kill you, which can still do that, but that one runs on 3 volts, so it's very hard for that one to kill you, if not impossible. And yeah, this one project, as you can see on my notebook here, I keep, blank pages, there we go. I've only done a few projects, but I keep very detailed notes on what I'm doing. And if you go to my notes on the lightning tower, my final warning says you will get shocked at some point. Be extremely careful. Always use high voltage safety when working with high voltage projects. There are a few times where I got lazy, and the wonderful powers of electricity reminded me that being lazy has severe consequences. And so my leg, my head, everything got shocked. Most amount of times I've ever been shocked in an EE project. But regardless, learn from me. Don't be stupid when working with high voltage. Now for the demonstration. Now for the cool stuff. Okay, so all I do is press this button. By the way, it is rechargeable because it runs on an arc lighter, so you can just plug it into a wall outlet and observe. And that is my lightning tower.